In this quick video, I'll show you how to perform a print head cleaning on your Epson XP 5200. In case you didn't use this printer for a long time, could be just 2-3 weeks, sometimes the ink dries out and the results are looking faded, or sometimes you have white lines showing up. So how do you do this? Press the home button, so we are on the main screen. Go with the right side arrow until you select maintenance. Here we go, maintenance, press OK. Go down and select print head cleaning. Now this is a simple print head cleaning. If you have major issues because your ink is really dried out, you can perform a power cleaning. Power cleaning simply means that it's a head cleaning but a bit longer and more powerful. It will use more ink. So once you have select print head cleaning, it will tell you that you need to insert in the printer some A4 size paper or US letter size paper. So make sure you have a few of them and then press start. It will take a few minutes and at the end it will print a test page. The test page looks like this one and it's simply to confirm that your printer is working normally. So take a look at these lines, and if it's looking like the one you see on your screen currently, it means that everything has been done and the print heads have been cleaned successfully. If your lines have some white spacing between them, it means you need to redo it. You can do this print head cleaning as many times as you want. Just be aware that you are wasting some ink every time you do a print head cleaning. And if you do a power cleaning, in that case it will use even more ink. So yes, you can do it as many times as you want, but you're limited by how much ink is left in your cartridges. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, but also comment down below. Check my Amazon links if you want to get more ink or some paper for your printer. This is a great way of supporting my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.